I'm gonna show you how I made the first version of my turn signals for bikes. Let's get started. First you'll need to gather all the components on screen. As always, a full detailed parts list will be in the description. Now we have to create the part that makes the LEDs blink. So this part of the circuit specifically. As you can see, it works perfectly. Now I can desolder the testing LED, connect a wire where the LED was, and use some tape and glue to make it sturdier. I use a Dremel to cut the circuit away from the rest of the board. When you're cutting the PCB, be careful not to inhale any of the small particles. If you can, do it outside. Otherwise, open all the windows and always wear a mask. I found a good place to put the module and battery. Then glued the module to the Velcro strap and put it in place. I used more Velcro to move all the wires to the front of the bike. I used epoxy to glue the buttons and LEDs to a Velcro. Then I wired the buttons to the LEDs. Now all we need to do is run the wires from the buttons to the back of the bike for the other two LEDs. I'll be the first to admit that this design isn't really that practical. The lights aren't strong enough and it's not very resistant. That's why I called it version 1. I actually just wanted to test if there was a reason I'd never seen turning lights on bikes before. And as always, if you liked the video, like and consider subscribing, I'd really appreciate it.